Hi everyone, hope you are doing good and welcome to lecture number 11. Okay, and we'll be continuing with word problems of practice set. I hope my screen will be visible to you all. I told third question try करना मैं next lecture में ले लूँगा. So I'm taking blue color नहीं चाहिए पापा. Let us take this third question as well as this fifth one and sixth one भी करवा देता हूँ, ठीक है? So that I am done with my topic. Oh no, I don't know this PDF. This Blackboard is not working. Don't worry. दिख रहा है YTBB. So here it is going to be page number 165 जहाँ तक मुझे पता है 164 3. So 164 ठीक है, थोड़ा मटका गलत बैठा. So read the question everyone. What is the question saying? पहले कौन सा वाला करूँ, तुम लोग बोलो वो करता हूँ. Let's go with third one ना. So two numbers to find number of notes. To find number of notes basically ये find करना है अपने को. Oh my god, let me just put this phone on silent. Okay. That Anushka had complete the following activity. Suppose Anushka had X notes. अनुष्का को X notes था उसके पास. I don't know ये सब क्यों हो रहा है. How to just erase that. Suppose Anushka has X notes. Oh, I'm just fed up with this. Suppose Anushka has X notes of rupees 100 and Y notes of rupees 50 each. Anushka got rupees 2500 from Anand as denominations mentioned above. This will be your equation number 1. If Anand would have given her amount by interchanging number of notes, Anushka would have rupees 500 less than previous amount. That will be your equation number 2. These are the two conditions. Here is the note. And just let me read the question. No, इतना ही था question तो. So let's start solving. थोड़ा जैसे solve करेंगे ना वैसे वैसे अपने आप अपने को hint मिलता जाएगा. The way we go on solving, you will be getting the hint. I'll just switch off my video so that you have a full screen view. कौन सा कर रहे हैं हम लोग? We are doing question number, ये fourth था, हम लोग third कर रहे हैं. Third year. So third response, third question in fact indeed. ठीक है? So let's start. It's easy. Don't get nervous. The question is easy, activity based है, so दिमाग भी कम लगाना पड़ेगा because आधा चीजें तो दिया हुआ है. Condition formulate करना भी जरूरत नहीं है since it is already given to us. So let's start from beginning. Okay. So suppose Anushka had X notes. मैं normal form में ही करवा रहा हूँ. Anushka had X notes. ठीक है? Of rupees 100 and Y notes of rupees 50 each and Y notes of rupees 50 each. ये तो दिया हुआ है question में. Now the total amount with Anushka. Total amount with Anushka is 100x plus 50y. Rupees 100x plus 50y. Now from the first condition, yeah, according to given conditions. So according to first condition, क्या मिलेगा मुझे? According to first condition, I will get 100x plus 50y is equal to 2500. First condition usually sum का रहता ही है, sum of the two variables. उसको divide करो by 50, so 2x plus y is equal to 50. The reason you can write dividing by 50. ठीक है? I'm not writing each and everything. This will be our equation number 1. Now second condition, according to second condition, क्या बोलता है मेरा second condition? second condition says that this amount is less by rupees 500. This amount is less by rupees 500, isn't it? Therefore, 100y plus 50x is equal to 2000. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 40. Oh no, इसमें भी वो शायद से प्रेशर एक्ट होने लग गया. 40 x plus 2y is equal to 40. Again, here you can write dividing both sides by 50. समझ रहे हैं ना बच्चों? 500 से ले, इधर 2500 था, इधर 2000 है. So dividing by 50, let this be your equation number 2. Now if you look carefully at equation number 1 and equation number 2, एक जगह x है तो दूसरी जगह 2x है, एक जगह y है तो दूसरी जगह 2y है. So it's now, if you see the coefficient are interchanged, isn't it? So it is interchange coefficient वाला method. देखो इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ ध्यान देने का कभी भी. So don't, if you have skipped पहले के lectures, go back to my initial lectures, that is lecture number 2, 3 वगैरह वगैरह, and उसमें तुमको मिलेगा. So interchange coefficient method. So interchange coefficient method हम लोग use करेंगे. So first we need to add equation 1 and 2. Then we need to subtract 1 and 2, and then we need to add 3 and 4. So इसको add करो. 2x plus y is equal to 50, and इधर x plus 2y is equal to 40. I am going to get 3x plus 3y is equal to 90. X plus y is equal to 30. नहीं, x plus y is equal to 30. Dividing by so and so. Reason is equation. वो reason लिखना है, and here equation number 3. Now subtract 1 and 2. Since it is interchange coefficient method, subtract equation 1 and 2. So here what you will get, subtract equation 1 and 2. So here you will get 2x plus y is equal to 50 minus x plus 2y is equal to 40. Sign change हो जाएगा, and you will get, मैं इधर लिख रहा हूँ, you will get x क्या आएगा, 2x minus x will be x minus y is equal to 10. This will be your equation number 4. अभी add 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. So here it is going to be 2x is equal to, if you want I'll just show you all the calculation so that बाद में ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि सर ने नहीं करवाया. So here it is going to be x plus y is equal to 30 plus x minus y is equal to 10. So here you are going to get 2x is equal to, ये तो कट हो जाएगा 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 upon 2. X is equal to 20. Now substitute to get value of y. Substitute x is equal to 20 to get the value of y in any of the equation. I would love to substitute in equation number 3. So here I will have 20 plus y is equal to 30. Therefore y is equal to 30 minus 20, which is equal to 10. Now coming to the last step of this, that is final answer. That is going to be, Anushka has 20 notes of rupees 100. Anushka has 20 notes of rupees 100 and 10 notes of rupees 50 and 10 notes of rupees 50. So this is nothing but the final answer. So those who are writing, so this question activity based था, but solve करना पड़ेगा to make it look easy. Okay. Then fifth question I am going to solve. So be quick. You all can just pause the video. You all can take screenshot, or you all can just reduce the speed of video if possible. I don't know. उतना सब आता नहीं मुझे. ठीक है. Shall I go ahead? बोलो हाँ कि ना. I hope I am audible. Okay. Since there is some net fluctuation at my place, so हो सकता है थोड़ा voice low आएगा. I would recommend कि ये lecture please earphone पहन के ही सुनना, so that you have proper audio quality. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. I will just try to resolve the issue as soon as possible. Let's go for question number 4. Let me open the textbook and here is the question number 4 हो गया ना. Let's go for question number 5. तो इधर आंसर क्या आया? The number of notes is what? बोलो. अभी किया. क्या आएगा? It is 20 and 10. ठीक है. Let's go with fifth question. In a factory, सी रेशियो में दिया है 5:3, मतलब कभी भी अपने को कॉमन मल्टीपल लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. दैट जस्ट सेम टाइम गिवन. कभी भी रेशियो फॉर्म में दिखा, whenever you get to see anything in the form of ratio, I would suggest take common multiple. ठीक है. Now go ahead. Ratio of skilled and unskilled worker is 5:3. Total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. Find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled. So उनके लिए हम लोग first of all we are going to assume two variables, that is gonna be x and that is gonna be y. Okay. So let me just start with the question. The question is very simple. Question number 5. Let the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers be rupees x and rupees y respectively. ठीक है. So according to first condition, what I'm going to get according to first condition. So according to first condition, what am I going to get here? काय भेटणार? Total salary of both of them is 720. मतलब total salary of both of them ना is 720. So what will be my first condition? पहले तो मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ उसको. फर्स्ट इधर ध्यान दो पहले, फिर देखो. रेशियो फॉर्म में तो कहना है राइट इट इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म x अपॉन y इज 5/3. ठीक है. मतलब 3x विल बी इक्वल टू 5y. ठीक है. ये फर्स्ट कंडीशन से मुझे इतना तो मिल गया. सो नाउ कैन आई गो फॉर सेकंड कंडीशन. तो एक मिनट, इक्वेशन तो बना नहीं सर, तो ये लो इक्वेशन बना दो. 3x माइनस 5y इज इक्वल टू 0. बन गया इक्वेशन. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकंड कंडीशन वी विल गो अहेड. अकॉर्डिंग टू second condition, what is the second condition? It is nothing but sum. So sum is nothing but 720. This is your second condition. Now multiply. Let this be your equation number 2. Let this be your equation number 1. Okay. So now multiply equation 2 by 5. So that तुमको इधर -5 और इधर +5, then you can add. So 5x plus 5y is equal to 72 into 5 is 3600 और एक 0 आएगा. ठीक है. So now this be your equation number 3. Now adding equation 1 and 3. So add करो ये equation. तो तुमको क्या मिलेगा? You are going to get 3x minus 5y is equal to 0 plus 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. Here it is going to be 8x is equal to 3600. X is equal to 3600 upon 8, which is equal to x is equal to 450. समझा? मजा आया? Okay. Now let's do substitution. Substituting x is equal to 450 in equation whichever you want. I am taking equation 2. ठीक है. So 450 plus y is equal to 720. Y is equal to 720 minus 450. So y is equal to 270. Final answer. The daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers are the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers are rupees 450 and rupees 270 respectively. ठीक है? Done. So that's all from my side in today's lecture. And with this, I declare that word problems of this topic are completed. This question I will only take if you all ask me in comment section to do so. This question is again important, but I want you all to try it as an assignment question. कुछ तो करो. If everything I will only solve, then so it would be spoon feeding, and in 10th standard spoon feeding is not appropriate. ठीक है? So I'll just जो लोग लिख रहे हैं take the screenshot या pause कर लो वीडियो and then you can write. ये रहा वो question. नहीं ये तो थर्ड वाला है. Where is the fifth question? ये रहा इधर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. You all can just take the screenshot or you all can pause the video and you all can write it down. If there is any doubt, I repeat, if there is any doubt, please ask me during the lectures by mentioning in comment. I'll see to it that they are cleared. Also, you all can, if you all want notes, you all can mail us on dpsir.teaching@gmail.com. ठीक है? Or connect with me on Instagram and other social media platforms. There is always solution for all your problems. Also, you all can ask your doubts to us. Okay? So again, it's only for you all convenience. Also, Shivik sir will be planning to post some assignments after he completes his topic. He will post some assignments, and if you are genuinely solving that, if you are kind of serious for your 10th standard, if you are solving that questions of quadratic, and then if you all want correction to be done, you all can mail us that question on the given mail ID. Description में भी mail ID दिया रहेगा. You can mail us that question and मतलब mail us that solution. वो PDF बना के mail करो हम लोग को, and that PDF will be corrected and mailed back to you. तुमको वापस mail दे देंगे check करके. ठीक है? So all the efforts are taken from all the mentors for you. At present, physics के lectures थोड़े halt पे है since there are some technical issues going on, and sir will be back, I guess, after 2 weeks since he is out of station, I guess, and so the topics are at halt. But never mind, we are always there for you. We'll try to cover maximum things. Okay, that's all from my side. Have a good day and bye bye. Stay blessed. Have a good day. Bye.